Alright, what's up everybody? We back at it one more time. The BMW 645 video. If you're watching right now, just stay with us for a few minutes. I want to give you a quick highlight of the car since we just got it cleaned, and my interpretation of the convertible top not working is totally wrong, because let's just say I didn't know how to get the top down. But the owner came out, sat inside, did a couple little things, boom, 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 hit some buttons, put the brake on, and the damn top went right on back perfectly. So I'm gonna show you how the top works and all that today. Stay with us. All right, everybody, so this is kind of like a before and after. You've seen it before. Hell, I almost want to put this part of the video in the beginning because it just looks so much nicer now that it's been cleaned up. This is just a sexy vehicle, man. It really is. You know, I know there may be some people out there in the YouTube world that may not have a fascination with the 645ci, but I just think it's pretty. I mean, you can't go wrong with them wheels, man. I mean, look how pretty they are, all cleaned up and polished. My God, they're gorgeous, right? Little rubber band tires on there. It is so pretty. But anyways, Matthew, our detail guy, did a great job just getting her all cleaned up, put a nice little coat of wax on there, shined her up. I mean, the top is in good shape, nice and clean. The seats look good now. You know, again, it is an older car. Do remember that. It's a 2004, and we're in the year 2019 right now. But as you can see here, now that the car is all cleaned up, it looks 100% better than what it was before. You know, I said to the owner earlier, I said, man, whoever owned this BMW, which was a friend of his, I said, man, that guy didn't seem to really take care of the car too much. He said, no. He said the car had been sitting outside, kind of up under a tree. And the guy, you know, obviously is some kind of car fanatic, got bunches of cars and just, you know, just didn't keep it cleaned all the time. But the engine and, you know, the way it runs is great. I mean, mechanics-wise, there's nothing wrong with it at all. It runs out pretty nice. But we haven't driven it yet, so stay with us on part 2 video with the 645, where we take this bad boy out on the street and see how it rides right now. Again, click on the link at the end of this video to watch part 2, test drive the 645ci, my first time. Thank you so much, guys.